it's such a shame, but because of the hazard to the public, this one's had the top taken out already to make it safer, but it's still over this path, next to the path, and it's prone to cleaving. There's a wound here, look, there's a cleave in it. You can see it there in the main stem, and all the branches. This particular tree has the gene for splitting. It is the last resort, yeah, really. We'll be planting young trees, which hopefully will be in better condition, but it depends on whether they get vandalised or not. So we have to look after them here. Well, the planting, I believe, is this year, early before spring, really. The planting needs to be done before March, April. So the works need to be done fairly soon, which is why we need to let the public know that it's happening, because obviously they're very popular, the park's very popular, and these are historic.